In today's video, I will walk you through how to add pyramid graphic chart in PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint slide and going to the Insert tab on the top menu. Click SmartArt. Then, in the window that appears, select Pyramid from the left panel. Choose a pyramid style like Basic Pyramid, Inverted Pyramid, Segmented Pyramid, or Pyramid List, then click OK. The pyramid will be added to your slide. Click inside the text pane and type your content. Each line you enter will automatically form a level of the pyramid. To adjust the design, go to the SmartArt Design tab. From here, you can add or remove levels, change colors, and switch styles. If you need more control, go to the Format tab to adjust individual shapes and refine the layout. If you prefer a manual pyramid, go to Insert, then Shapes. Select triangles or stacked rectangles, and place them on the slide. Arrange them from largest at the bottom to smallest at the top. Use Align Center and distribute vertically to keep everything properly aligned and evenly spaced. And that's how you create a pyramid graphic chart in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching the video.